tourist. Your lucky streak starts here.
Come and taste the best nappe in Ali. One sip of it and your tongue will sing. All swell.
On peut faire ça. Ah,
Nothing personal, just necessity.
c'est quoi ça? Poster. Dans le mille avec Bassim. 30 000 euros, 30 000 dollars à gagner.
Excuse me?
On trouve le stand de tir. C'est ça, non? Ça va être ça.
You can't come this way.
Yeah, no problem.
Back to what I was saying. Couldn't agree more, mate.
Gotta find a way to fool this lad.
Where is Barnes? Anyway, inside, second floor. Any word from the buyer? No. He's supposed to call Forsted on the burner when he's at the container yard. You listened to him during the briefing, didn't you? Hey, I was at the pit watching the hammer do his thing.
Funny Penny, I need you to run a Thayer suite for me on a PMC outfit called Scorpius. I need to know why they're in town.
What are you up to?
Just pulling at the string.
Don't do that here, okay?
Watch out.
Kill quick and kill clean.
Stand de tir, c'est lui?
Get out of here, my friend.
Carry on. Need to find a way past him.
Stupid thing. How'd you get in?
Of course, no problem.
Way out is here.
S'en aller.
Hey, be more careful.
Faudrait que je trouve le stand de tir là pour les 30 000 dollars.
Out of the way, please.
Oh, les Greenway.
Come on over. Fresh muffins.
Après, ils étaient plusieurs que je pouvais pickpocket tout à l'heure, non?
Pistols, rifles, semi-automatics. Silence or not silence. I speak all the best language. Want to feel like you are in paradise when it's hotter than hell?
Pas aller là-dedans. Ah. Il y avait de nouveau l'affiche.
Hey, I've got something over here that belongs in your grip. And no, not that. I'm talking about guns. Guns to match that.
Les fusils d'assaut.
Looking for something to go with that fancy shirt of yours. I think I have just the thing. The Osato 8 SMG. Fresh shipment. Just came in today.
I'm good. Brought my own. And it does the job.
Then you should go see Basim at the shooting gallery. Try your hand at winning some of that big prize money. Just follow the weapon stalls and you'll find him right behind me. Tell him Yero sent you.
Maybe I will. Thanks, Yellow.
Good luck, tourist. Guns, bows, and blades right here. I sell the alphabet of I told you. You will get your money as soon as I have it.
Du coup, il est où?
Not just for me, for everyone. Ali's raised taxes again. He's crippling us. You saw what happened. Tariq want USB small enough to smuggle it and big enough to blackmail. You start coming. When we knives off how?
Hey, my friend, over here.
Be calm.
You need a gun.
In a
Best prices in the market.
Brought my own. Thanks.
Oh, so you lift at the gym, eh? Oh, that's very cute, students. Come on over here.
Derrière l'étal, c'était écrit. Un briquet, on récupère. C'est toujours utile.
He knew what was coming. We all did. And he accepted his fate. I turned away.
C'est quoi ça?
Eats like a king with the best
Conflit.
Hey,
Est-ce qu'on a le... arène de combat? Hum.
we just get killed had been whale shark, Atlantic bluefin tuna and sailfish, all freshly caught this
Ça va être ça.
A man of his word.
Every single one of those encounters, his wife and children will be most displeased to see. The Spanish one is ambitious.
On peut mettre le feu.
Ambition makes her
On va
predictable.
divertir qui si je fais ça?
Unpredictable people are very easy to earn. We backed her campaign. She knows who pays the bills and who can easily unpay them. Say hello. Bravo. Say hello. Bravo.
They say money can't buy respect. Well, let me tell you, that's a lie. Hey, you
Ah,
in
ouais, c'est là.
chat. Bet you can't hit a single one of these.
All right, give me the spiel.
No spiel here, my friend. Just you, that gun, and a big pile of cash. All you have to do is hit all the targets.
I'll play.
All right, here we go. Remember, you need to hit all the targets.
Nice shot.
Lucky shot. Do that again. You can't do that again. Oof. Want to borrow my glasses? Those bullets of yours are lonely.
Je vais recharger,
They
fallait peut-être
miss
pas.
everything.
Faire des sous, hein, cette foire là.
He's good at that. Nobody here owes him money. Englishman's on fire.
Very nice shot.
Even the gun looks impressed.
Let's see you
Nice
do
shot.
that twice. Target's over that way, tourist. Maybe next
Ah.
time.
Alors attendez, hop, on recommence.
Hey.
Tac. Parce que du coup je suis passé juste sur la souris le temps de. Ce sera plus simple.
Lucky shot. Do that again.
Hop.
Nice shot.
Ah, c'était là-bas.
He's pretty good at that.
But you can't do that again.
That's a clean shot. Very nice.
Puis je jure en visant pour me concentrer.
Look at that. I won.
Filthy tourist. You think I hand anything over to you?
Basim, pay him. Rules are rules.
I was about to. Here. Take it.
That really is one big, beautiful prize. Gentlemen. Not bad, James. Not bad at all.
Ok.
Getting there with the auction fee. Almost.
He's a horse's ass. Did you see him waving that stone around?
Là on récupère des piles.
It has to be. I don't think so.
Oh, you should have seen the size of it. That rock was as big as my fist.
On a-
Over here.
We stock the best USB storage to have your secrets and your sins.
Truc d'électronique, y'en avait pas quelqu'un qui avait un portefeuille à récupérer là?
We need to secure those weapons. That's why we're here.
Stock it all in a left. Come see by.
Will you stop panicking and let
Une
me think for a minute?
conversation à écouter.
Zara, you told me the deal was locked in place. You said you could secure the weapons for the cause with the money on the crypto wallet. Now you're telling me it's a no-go. We don't have hard currency. You knew that. No. Don't try again. It'll make us look weak. I need to call Andrew. He's got contacts out here. Maybe we can find a way to convert that crypto to cash in a hurry. So just sit tight and wait for my call. And do not let that wallet out of your sight.
Moneypenny, I need you to track a phone for me. I'm looking at the caller right now.
You'll need to hack the phone first. Then I'll be
think
able
that
to
could
look
work.
onto the signal.
I can do that.
Imported electronics.
Come on, Bob.
Imported
I
electronics.
said that so far.
No customs and no tax.
You see her? The woman in the suit. Hard to miss. She looked like she just stepped out of a hotel. So over there. Fight pit. You look like you are about to face a puddle of blood and cheese. I've got fans that can somehow understand you. Don't be shy.
Something to help make up for what's missing? Well,
Remember, your ammo is extra.
Passing through.
Oh, really? Those are my prizes. They were my prizes the first time you bought from me.
Big savings on original auto parts here today.
No signal. Move closer.
Just need to get
Mais
through.
il s'est arrêté.
Got a lock on that signal. Pinging the location of the caller to your Q watch.
You're a star.
I know. Always nice to be reminded.
Fresh parts straight from the pile-up on the autobahn.
Alors, on suit le signal qui est là-bas.
Did you see how packed his store was? He's pulling a lot of money.
Alors, eux, je pourrais les...
550. Yes, I know it's still in the hangar, and I know that
They are dead shot.
Si je trouve comment les distraire...
True. They line up to lose, but he's smart enough to make them think he's getting shot before he hands him a gun and pulls the rug out from under their feet.
You know, maybe we could do thing where we could set up something on the other side of the mountain so that we are just far enough out of his way. We need to clear it with Ali. But I think it's time.
On a récupéré une carte.
Get rich, right?
Maybe you're right.
I am right. I'll set up a meeting with Ali.
What the hell? My eyes, I can't see.
Et il est pas distrait?
God knows what that was.
Get off me.
Pardon.
Okay, excellent. Just get it done as soon as possible. I just need to know it's moving in position.
Tout donné pour qu'il soit distrait pourtant. Je mets le
Little
feu.
overdressed for this place.
Hello? Is someone there?
Sorry,
Doesn't
didn't
hurt
see
to
you there.
have a look.
Moneypenny,
Here.
crypto wallet. Any chance you can crack it?
No, signal's too weak. Unless...
I guess it's
Satellite
okay now.
images show a makeshift cell tower nearby. If you can find that tower and get close enough to it, I should be able to get in.
On it.
And very smooth. I didn't ask for the finest coffee in Aleph. I just
Ah, faut que j'aille
asked
là-bas.
for a coffee. You pointed to it, you ordered it, I brewed it, now you pay me. I'm not paying $100 for cat shit coffee.
Ça c'est quoi?
I'm not paying $100 for cat shit coffee. I don't care how
Okay.
good it tastes. I'm not.
Are you building a server or
On va essayer de continuer le portefeuille. Parce que bon, on va essayer de pas perdre trop d'argent avec ce
How much does he owe you?
espèce de charlatan là.
I'll clear it once the Afrikaan's been taken care of.
On peut passer là?
finds out you're talking about our business with the locals, I don't
I'm not going back up there.
Amir's solid.
Moi jamais je monte parce que...
His mouth shut because we have a good finger.
They pulled a gun on me just because I sunk a mini shot.
Always
I
does.
don't like to be
We've been here before.
I know that now.
Anyway,
Casa
we
de
should go back
Bavma.
and help them wrap this thing up.
You should see this place, Moneypenny. They've turned a shipwreck into an apartment complex. I've never seen anything like it.
Bavma's an ambitious man.
Clearly. This is prime beachfront real estate.
Ah, par contre, faut que j'aille discrètement.
Let's see now. Must be a button. Who set the alarm? Wrong thing. Yeah, there we go. Something there?
Somebody call it in. We need backup. I will make a call.
Ah zut.
Come in. We've got a lot of them here. We need help. Yeah, we are still here. Anybody you got? I see. Down there. Big man.
Zut, en plus ils ont appelé des renforts.
Down there. There he is.
Out the way. I'll mash him up.
Smash him back.
Let me smack this round.
Time to die.
I'm going to stop him.
End of the line.
Tap out, little brother. Got him.
You're going down. Time to die. Lock and loading. He's moving there. End of the line. Tap out. You're no match for me.
Très bien. Tout full, hop.
Come on. Who's there?
Est-ce qu'il faudrait pas que je continue quand même?
Doesn't matter.
Faudrait que je récupère des produits.
I have eyes on the relay tower. Making my way up to it now.
Okay. Keep me posted.
5 8Ks, a couple of PKMs, an RPG with 3 rounds, 4 SAR-80s, and 6 Docker FTT-33s. If we leave a fight tomorrow morning, we should wind up in his path around about noon. That's when we hit it.
Do we have any idea what sort of defenses they have?
Water cannons and they'll be armed too, so wear your best.
What about Ismail? Is he coming with us? We could really use him on this.
I'm working on this, man. I'll keep you posted. Just be ready to set sail at dawn. What the? We're busy.
Weird. What is up with my head? You fool!
Know that.
Forget that.
That's him! Go, go!
What in the hell? Come here, skinny rat. You're going to die! Yeah, jump him!
Out of the way!
One more
Let
push!
me have it.
And
Aïe, aïe, aïe. Ok, ok. J'ai merdé, j'ai merdé.
Oh, signal's too weak. Unless... Satellite images show a makeshift cell tower nearby. If you can find that tower and get close enough to it, I should be able to get in.
On it.
Hop, je vais juste relever un peu le micro parce que j'arrête pas de
I have
taper
eyes on
dedans.
the relay tower.
Allô?
Making my way up to it now.
Okay, keep me posted.
A couple of PKMs, an RPG with 3 rounds, 4 SAR-80s, and 6 Docker FTT-33s. If we leave a fight tomorrow morning, we should wind up in his path around about noon. That's when we hit it.
Do we have any idea what sort of defenses they have?
What the?
We got a man down. Over there! Hey, stand up.
Can't do it. No time.
J'ai eu les
Is that
deux.
somebody over there?
Il y en a un qui est en train d'arriver.
You all right there? He's been knocked out.
Not now.
We're busy. He's out cold. Do you read me? In my...
Stay on point.
Ignore that.
Focus.
What is going on?
Gonna snap.
Paf! Alors, est-ce qu'on peut récupérer des batteries ou quelque chose?
I'm guessing whatever it is you're up to over there is related to the expense account you called me about.
That's right. I need what's on this wallet.
For what, exactly?
Funding international terrorism, of course.
Just be careful, James.
Eyes out.
Ah, désolé, hein, mais ce sera plus facile comme ça. C'est quoi ça, c'est des plans?
Energy pipelines.
Plan d'infrastructure d'un vaste réseau de pipelines destiné à acheminer l'énergie jusqu'à Alep.
That's where I need to go. The cell tower. Yeah, this seems smart. Jump. Just jump.
J'aille là.
Easy does it. Easy does it.
C'est où que je dois aller? C'est là-haut. Appareil attaque. Ça devait pas être là que je devais aller. Bon, moi.
Gravity's just a suggestion. At the tower.
Perfect. Stay where you are.
Yeah. Not going anywhere.
I'm in. Disabled the password on the wallet, so you shouldn't have any trouble accessing the 50 grand on there.
Thanks, Moneypenny. Greenway, I have the money.
Make your way to the auction entrance so we can pay up and get inside.
Ça paye la crypto, hein. De retour, waouh, trop bien. Ça y est, t'as réussi à régler ton souci de...
Afternoon, ladies. This wouldn't be the way to the Copacabana, would it?
T'as réussi à régler ton souci de Wi-Fi.
I'll take that as a no.
What?
Don't mind me. Just dropping in.
Feel like you're eating like a king. Come on over and try it for yourself.
Elle s'est rallumée, mais je suis pas à l'abri de disparaître une nouvelle fois. Bah, écoute, j'espère pour toi que ça se stabilisera quand même. Ça t'arrive souvent ou pas?
Get inside and find our
Ah bon sang, c'est où? Nope, c'est nouveau la fibre, je viens d'emménager. Ah, et en plus, c'est avec la fibre. Ok.
You took your time.
Got a little tied up mingling with the locals.
Pay the man bond.
Here we are. Cash and crypto.
Bavma thanks you for your contribution. Go on through.
Fix it, or I'll start pulling pieces off you.
I'm trying, okay? I don't know what's wrong.
No pressure. Just the difference between music on or your brains.
Après, il fait lourd et ça sent l'orage. Ouais, bah chez moi aussi, c'est... C'est une journée pas très ensoleillée, bizarrement. Mais bon, après, normalement... Normalement, ça influe pas non plus sur ton Wi-Fi, quoi. Encore là. Si t'as pas la fibre, moi je me rappelle que oui, les vieux Wi-Fi quand il y avait, quand il y avait de la pluie, mais bon, t'as la fibre. Je suis entre deux montagnes. Ah, ça va. Peut-être une chance que ça passe sur les montagnes. Pas sur toi.
Oh, would you look at that? My kind of trouble.
She certainly is. Jaguar Type 00. Part of Bavma's special.
Comment ils vont la sortir, la voiture, de
New
là?
model in a room full of relics. Ring any bells, Greenway?
Keep talking like that. You might wind up buried out here.
Worth it.
Through here.
You'd think a place like this would have been shut down by now.
Control the chaos, control the flow, Bond. Keep Bulmer in play, you always have eyes on the game. Bond, over here.
Après, j'aime l'orage, j'irai sur le balcon avec un café, admirer la vue, la météo.
You weren't kidding when you said Bavma's connections ran deep.
That's why MI6 continues to let him operate.
En vrai, l'orage, c'est beau, mais de loin.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Have a seat and get comfortable so we can begin the auction. While some of you have been here before, I see some fresh faces amongst our buyers. So, humor me while I go over our simple yet strict rules. 1. All bids must pass through the polygraph. 2. Should you fail the polygraph, you will be removed from the auction and forbidden to enter Aleph again.
Well, at least we know what the polygraph is for.
Lastly, bids are bound by blood. There are no retractions. Now, a quick technical trial. Place your hand on the polygraph machine in front of you. A truth, if you please, Miss Bakhan.
मुझे उस आदमी से घृणा है बस उसे कह दो मुझे ड्रोन चाहिए
Your turn, Mr. Konyevich.
I am Nikola Konyevich.
Good. Mr. Leung, if you please.
Zhang Leung. I represent the Three Storms clan.
And now to one of our newer faces. Go ahead, please, Mr.
Easy now.
Call me James. I'm just here for the hors d'oeuvres and free drinks.
Dial it down.
Excellent.
Bon, juste à côté, là, ressentir les vibrations du tonnerre. Mais t'es un fou, toi.
We begin with an opening bid from our new guests.
You refou? You re crazy guy?
The bid is yours.
$1 million.
A cash bid. I'm afraid this isn't that kind of auction, my friend. You have forfeited your opening position, and the bid is now free.
हमारे सारे बंदरगाहों से
Safe passage to, from, and through all of our harbors.
कोई सवाल
No
पूरी
inspections,
तरह से
no
diplomatic
questions.
cover देंगे
Complete
और
and
उसके
utter
साथ
diplomatic
बावमा के लिए
cover.
private jet और armed escort
Plus,
भी
a
दिलाएंगे
private jet with armed escort
भर
for
के लिए।
Bavma.
for the rest of his life.
Now that is a real bid. Anyone care to counter Miss Bakhan's offer?
Safe passage is useful, but only temporary. I offer permanence. My organization will help fund and implement the next stage
Yes,
of
fou malade, I am.
in Aleph.
A thrilling prospect indeed. Anyone care to raise the stakes? 2 offers on the table.
Going to have to tilt the table.
Anyone care to beat them?
Sabotage the next offer.
You read my mind.
I offer the next election in Mauritania. The ruling seat will be delivered and gift wrapped. I also offer 4 European Union ambassadors, all of which have been compromised, of course.
Well, that hasn't happened in quite some time.
What is this? Something's wrong with this
And
thing.
Mr. Leung,
Normalement, j'ai mis pause, vous avez pas raté grand chose. On est reparti.
Going once.
Now's your chance.
Débarrasser Aleph de Scorpius. Plan pour des panneaux solaires ultramodernes.
Scorpius and all affiliated organizations.
J'ai encore cru que c'était ma fille. Alors en plus, c'est vraiment genre... je regardais du coup le chat et j'ai vu tentative de reconnexion en cours. J'étais là, ah, qu'est-ce que c'est?
From this day forward, every weapon used by my soldiers, be it a rifle,
Eh non, pour le ce coup-là, c'est pas toi.
will come only from the hands of Bavma.
Unlimited volume.
Exclusive contract with unlimited volume.
I like it. Going once. Going twice.
We're out of time. Do some 3 decades of MI6 intel. What? Always do the unexpected, right?
Interesting. How do you propose delivering this intelligence?
By giving you him.
It would appear the honeymoon is over. One TX-1000 Marauder drone sold to the boldest and newest buyer in the room.
Bond, I swear to...
Thank you, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your stay here in LF. And you two gentlemen, please, join me over here if you will. Congratulations on your purchase, gentlemen. One of my men will be with you shortly to settle the bill.
The Englishman. Where is he?
You'll need to be a little more specific than that.
The ex-spy Bavma's hiding. Where is he?
Look around. You have no power here.
That man murdered 3 of our agents in cold blood. Bavma broke the rules. He's finished. Your king's reign is over.
Nice try.
Pay attention, Picard. You only have one choice to make here. You can stay with Bavma, but you'll go down with him and you'll watch as we turn this whole place to dust. Or you could take the throne, and our superiors will continue to turn a blind eye to all that goes on here. Or don't you want to be king?
Throw in box seats at the menu and we have a deal.
Stretford End? Best we can do.
We both know that's not true.
Fine. Done.
Well, it appears you have some sway after all.
Allez, je suis en haut, t'as vu?
See that crane?
What about it?
Underneath you'll find a boat. A gift from Bavma when he first arrived. A small slice of English civility here in the middle of the desert. That's where you'll find your friend.
How do we get to it?
By boat. Follow me this way, gentlemen.
9's location. Headed there on foot through what looks like a makeshift port.
Bon sang, faut que j'aille où? Ah là, il y a un petit trou. Ça recrache? Pour un jeu 2026, je le trouve pas fou graphiquement. Bah, alors il y a des trucs qui sont vraiment très très sympas, genre les effets de lumière et tout. Mais il y a 2-3 trucs en termes de graphisme où ça fait un peu encore old school quoi. My bad, je crois c'est Twitch qui casse les couilles avec ses pubs.
Bond, I just pulled satellite imagery of the area. There's a lot of heavy activity on and off the water, so watch your step in there.
Copy that. Thanks.
Ça fait laguer le stream. Alors, fais voir. Moi, j'ai pas de paquet perdu. Tac, tac, tac. Est-ce que ça lag de mon côté? Non, c'est peut-être moi, hein. Attends. Je vais checker un truc. Non, t'inquiète, ça doit être Twitch codé avec le cul comme d'hab. Alors, c'est pas Mako déjà. Mais ouais, en fait, le débit de Twitch, je suis dans le rouge, mais complet. Et c'est vrai que même moi, ma résolution, elle est en automatique sur Twitch. Et ouais. De toute façon, je pense qu'il y a un souci. Parce que quand ça a crash tout à l'heure, j'ai voulu venir voir les rediffs pour voir si effectivement ça avait crash ou pas. Et ça a mis du temps à arriver. Donc je pense que soit OBS, soit Twitch, il y a un souci. Ils sont en train de prendre un orage. On va dire ça. Et du coup, ouais, ça ne vient pas de moi. On va espérer que ça ne dure pas très longtemps quand même. Oui, un orage, oui, oui. Mais en plus, c'est trop bizarre parce que genre sur mon retour OBS, genre j'ai pas de problème. Genre ma j'ai pas de paquet de perdu, je suis dans le full vert et tout. Et là, en ouvrant le Twitch, ouais, le débit, il est dans les choux, quoi.
I'm on the water, heading to the boat.
Understood.
Donc c'est peut-être Twitch qui a un
I had
souci.
a handle on it back there until you cut in.
Oh, are you trying to prove yourself to me?
Not what I meant.
What did you mean?
Could have flipped Ollie on my
4
own.
pubs en
We're
2
in a
minutes.
hurry. I needed to speed things up.
Ah bah il y a peut-être des micro-crash et du coup ça fait comme si ça relançait le stream.
Look at these boys. A right jolly pirate club.
How's it looking?
Storm's closing in fast on our position. Looking at this, I would say we've got about 6 or
Ça relance 4 fois la même pub.
and we need to get everything off the water and processed before that.
Ah.
Tonight?
Did you not hear me? Tonight is not happening. That storm is going to hit hard. It's too risky. Remember the last one? We lost half the crew and all the hostages on that raid. I'm not doing that.
Fair enough. But I need to make some extra cash soon.
What's this?
Hopefully that thing passes through here quickly so we can get back out on the water.
Looks like it will. We should be good to go the day after tomorrow. What have we got here? Strange days. Got eyes on boat, headed for the Englishman. 1 occupant on board.
T'as loupé un loot derrière. Alors là, je peux aller. Ah, sinon, c'est là-bas. Là où tu attendais que le mec se casse. Donc ici. Moi, j'étais caché ici. Ah, ça, là. Mais je suis full déjà. C'est une pile et je suis full. On va garder notre pistolet de service. Hein. Il est doré. Ah mais ben non, t'inquiète. Tu fais bien de le dire, parce que ça pourrait. On va tirer combien là? Ah piou piou! Ah, j'aurais pu faire l'autre en vrai. Est-ce que lui... Hop là. Là, on récupère le fusil d'assaut. La batterie. Ça doit piquer un chouille. Non, 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 franchement. Ça chatouille, c'est tout. Rien de plus. Ok, ok. Je vais essayer de monter là-haut. Y a rien ici. Moi, je suis revenu à mon point de départ. Je suis revenu à mon point de départ. On va aller voir là-bas.
You're off the menu.
What's happened? What? It just
Run! That thing blew up Bryce's face!
Are you alright? Saw his attacker run off. Looked an awful lot like one of those Scorpius lads.
damn it. You.
Right, no
Keep
problem.
moving. I'll handle it.
Il est tout seul? Ouais, il est tout seul. Paf!
Sorry about that.
Ils sont un peu codés avec le fiac, les gens, non? Ça dépend. En vrai, pas tant que ça, j'aurais tendance à dire quand même.
On it. What's happened here?
Parce que genre quand il y a des combats, c'est quand même pas mal quoi.
Now look what you made me do.
Tu peux vite galérer quand même. Boîte à fusible, la batterie. Ok, ça on est full, on a plus besoin de ramasser. Nous, il faudrait qu'on aille par là. D'un côté, je te regarde en mode infiltration et de l'autre, je suis en lurk sur un stream jeu de guerre. Ah, le contraste. Ah, puis là, il nous propose des armes. Sans la bagarre, moi je vous le dis.
I would never steal from Batman.
I don't believe you, Aziz. I doubt Batman would have too. Don't ever point a gun at me unless you intend to use it.
Greenway, how can we be sure Ali hasn't gone straight to Badma and he's walking us right into an ambush?
Ali wants Aleph. He's been waiting for a chance like this.
Let's hope you're right.
Let's see what we've got. Stormbug 50 cal. Very good. RPGs always move fast in here. 10 crates of Night Ones, 50 crates of Zukovsky 21s, some K and S bolt actions, 20 crates of Sato 8s.
So what happened to Aziz? Let that be a warning to anyone who thinks they can steal from Bavma. He has eyes everywhere. Now get to work. I want this place cleared tonight.
Come back later tonight.
And don't forget about the Englishman. He's expecting a delivery. Raj knows what he wants.
Ah, il y a des caméras de sécurité en plus.
Let's get back to work.
By the crane.
Keep our heads down until down.
Oh. Let me check on that. What is this? Oh, no idea what's happened there.
Bon, du coup, on va faire ça. Hein. Une caisse d'armes.
Show me what you got. I will bury you right here.
Ok. Fais dodo, ouais c'est ça. Allez, couche-toi. Hein. Faut que j'aille où? Faut que j'aille là-bas. Il y a une caméra là-bas.
I know they are worth money, but they are too much hassle. What do you think I want you to do with them? Are you stupid? Well, you must be. Shoot them and throw the bodies overboard. Get back here as soon as it's done and move the haul in the market.
Pas le bon plan par là en fait. Are you stupid? Hop.
What's wrong with my eyes? It's like the...
Ok. Prendre la batterie. On a du produit. En vrai, faut qu'on aille par là.
Ali, are we really gonna give him control of Aleph?
The agency needs assets like Ali. Let's say a terrorist group is planning an attack on British soil. Then let's say said group travels here to tool up for it. With Ali sitting on the throne, we get a heads up. It's not all black and white in this world, Bond. There's a lot of grey.
Yeah. Ah. Oh, I bet it's nothing again. Strange. Ah, done.
Ok. Ensuite, une batterie là. Faut que j'aille où? Là-bas. En vrai, je descends puis je passe par là, non? Si je veux passer par là, je pirate la télé.
Let's see now. What good?
Bouge pas le deuxième.
Yeah, better.
On a dû le mettre sur le type.
That was nuts. Chief, what are you doing? What's wrong? They're out cold.
C'est un peu maintenant ou jamais. Pour rester discret. Voilà.
This is all useless. Where did you come?
Tac, qu'est-ce qu'on a ici? Il y en a un qui approche là.
Right here.
Let's have a look there.
Oh, des vignes! Qu'est-ce que c'est en train de me calculer là?
Stop doing that.
Ça va, il avait prévenu personne. Bon, là-bas, ils sont 3, ça va être un peu compliqué. J'ai essayé de m'occuper de celui qui est tout seul.
Oi, mate.
Let's see what that is. Huh?
Ok. Du coup, là... voir si je fais diversion, c'est quoi ça? Oh merde.
Can't do it. What the hell was that? What's happened?
Hop là! Et on va récupérer du produit là. Il y a du monde ici. Est-ce que je suis obligé de passer par là ou est-ce qu'il n'y a pas une entrée un peu plus discrète? Là, il y avait des batteries. Je sais pas. Ok.
Hey.
Oh, le double canon, t'as vu? Genre là, il m'a pas vu, quoi.
You are on borrowed time.
Et hop. Emballer, c'est peser. C'est quoi, station de recharge? Oh, j'avais pas vu lui.
Best check that. What are you looking for? Pig.
Are you ready to finish?
Je l'ai jeté par-dessus bas.
Ever been inside it?
Les mecs, ils ont des armes et ils les utilisent pas. Ouais, c'est ça.
I mean, I've seen other people come and go over the years, but certainly not any of us. We just load his boat up for him when he wants something and he takes it away.
Maybe we should go take a look sometime.
Are you crazy? Why would we do that?
He might have something on there that could make us very rich.
No thanks. I like my guts inside my body. If we were caught on that boat trying to steal from the Englishman, Bavma would slowly fillet us before throwing what's left of us to the girls.
Maybe you're right.
I know I'm right. Get that thought out of your head.
Right here.
Suicide.
Let's have a look there.
Faut que j'aille là, j'ai pas besoin de tuer tout le monde. Hein.